afternoon, everybody. We are going to show you around Lourdes Empinado National High School.
This is the Grade 7 booth. We sell Filipino traditional foods. By doing this, it shows how proud we are to introduce you the Filipino foods. We have here the posters that students in Lourdes Empinado National High School made. These drawings were inspired by Filipino culture. Filipinos are also very talented when it comes to arts. This is the school canteen. We are going to show you the senior high and grade 7 building. This two-story building belongs to the senior high students. Now we present the grade 7 building. This is the first floor consisting 3 classrooms. The second floor, on the other hand, also contains 3 classrooms.
And the event has started, but we didn't take a video of the award winners and the singers, but we will show you a short clip of one of the singers and photos of the award winners, including a member in our group, Tiara Bella Vergara. Princess Milchane Donato placed first in Masining na Pagkukwento. John Joseph Barsimila placed second in Likha Awit. Tiara Bella Vergara placed second in Pagsulat ng Semestre. Mary Bernadette Panugaling placed third in Pagsulat ng Tula.